It rained last night, Billy. We have until about 11 a.m. and it's supposed to pour until about 5, 6 o'clock to get done whenever we can. The roads are wet, which normally wouldn't be a problem, but we don't have a truck here. You better wake up, because if you don't now, you're gonna wake up about mock Jesus. You'll probably wake up somewhere between second and third gear. So, that's Rich's car. Billy and I didn't bring the truck home last night. We brought these home. So, looks like we're riding these to the shop, Billy.
Oh.
You might want to wake up.
I'm awake.
All right, let's do this.
Gas station's like that. Yeah. Oh, diddly daddly. I don't know what that means, but we're going with it.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Billy, you awake yet?
Yeah.
All right. Not bad. These are tiny little 70cc bikes, but we GPSed it and it averages right around 44 to 46 miles an hour with me on it. Billy's gets a little faster, but he's lighter than I am. But 44, 46 miles an hour in a little 70cc bike. The thing scoots, man. My other one's faster. It's inside, but that's also a 2-stroke and it's a big wheel kit bike. Way faster.
What'd you say about the 2-stroke?
I didn't say nothing about your 2-stroke.
I heard the 2-stroke. Honda 2 Smoker.
Billy's old Honda 2 Smoker.
Here's the strap to that light.
That goes to yours.
That's what I said. I said the strap to that light. Oh, I'd much rather ride to work than drive to work. That's the way it should be. Besides, we don't have that long before the snow starts flying. And it's game over.
Got another animal fact.
Oh boy, we'll get to that in a second. So, we get to that yard and the lady comes out, she goes, "What are you doing here?" I go, "It's the day I've mowed every week for probably 7 years." She goes, "I sent you a little note." I go, "A little note?" She said, "Yeah." I go, "Was it an email?" Because that's how she usually contacts me. She goes, "Yeah, last night." I opened up my email, I showed it to her, I go, "I don't have any emails from you. I always get all your emails." She goes, "But the yard is just so wet." And I said, "So you didn't want me to come? And is that what the email was?" And she goes, "Well, yeah, because it's so wet." And I said, "Barbara, if I never mowed wet grass, I would never mow at all. It's always wet. This is Western New York." And I said, "Wet I can handle. Soft, that's another story. That's where problems happen." I said, "But it's just wet grass." I go, "It's fine." She goes, "Well, I guess since you're here, you might as well do it." I was like, "Okay." I gotta look at this property real quick. They want it. One of my customers, he manages properties. I do a couple for him, but he wants this one taken care of too. So it's just this grass patch here in front of this old body shop. Grass patch and then the weeds in front of the building there. That's it. It's easy. But this guy's got a Sea-Doo jet ski that's been sitting there. I know I've passed it. It's been sitting there a couple years. I bet you I can get that thing for next to nothing. All right, what's your animal fact?
So, you know kangaroos, the only time they use one leg at a time instead of using both is when they're swimming. And they actually kick their legs, like a dog.
Really?
Yeah, like that. One leg at a time. That's the only time they use one leg at a time. Other than that, it's always two because they're hopping around.
No little pink sacks or nothing on kangaroo? I got a funny kangaroo joke for you.
But did he work at IHOP?
But I can't tell you on camera. No, Connor was the one with the broken leg. He was using crutches. He only had one leg. I told him he needs to go fill out an application at IHOP. They got all kinds of one-legged waitresses there.
Sure do.
Well, we got rained out. There is, it's not really raining here, just lightly sprinkling, but it was really coming down in the area. We were mowing our apartment complexes, and it was coming down pretty good. So, pulled that truck out. I had it in here over the weekend because I had to do upper control arms and upper ball joints, which are right there. They come complete, they're nice. The lower ones you gotta press out, but the uppers, they come complete and you take them out. They're pretty easy to do. Not that big of a deal. This truck has the same issue. See outside of the tire wearing here? Yeah. If the outside of your tire is wearing, your upper ball joints are bad. If the inside of the tire is wearing, the lower ball joints are bad. For anybody that wants to know, that's how that works. So that one's bad. But this guy over here, I don't know, you can't really see for the most part, but there's a couple spots on here. We're damn near.
Looks like tires about it.
Damn near wires look like they're coming through.
I mean, Susie.
So the back ones are pretty good, but we're gonna need 2 new front tires. I'm gonna do the same thing I did on the other truck, because the other ones were wearing on the outside, but not nearly as bad. I just threw them on the back and brought the good ones up front. I'm gonna do the same with this. I still need to obviously replace the tires and that before plow season starts, but it'll be good for now. That thing's driving nice and smooth again. This needs to be taken care of. So I figure since it's only noonish and we can't mow anymore, we might as well do this. So, and no, I'm not gonna film this because there's a million videos on the interwebs on YouTube about doing ball joints. Really good ones, actually. But yeah, I got the ball joint press over there. I'm gonna rip this down, do these upper ball joints. I believe I have them here somewhere. I know I bought them like a week and a half ago. While Billy cleans out the inside of his truck, it's a mess.